Good morning, esteemed judges and fellow participants. Myself, Kalyani Bavaskar. I am currently pursuing MMS degree from Dr. V.N. Bedekar Institute of Management Studies. Imagine a quiet suburban neighborhood where a family returns from a weekend getaway only to find their house ransacked. The police arrive, but there are no obvious clues, no fingerprints, no hair, nothing visible to the naked eye. It seems like a dead end, but then a forensic expert arrives and swaps a faint smudge on the window. Days later, the results are back. A full DNA profile from just a few skin cells. The suspect is identified and upended. This is the power of touch DNA, a groundbreaking technology revolutionizing forensic science. So, what exactly is touch DNA? Touch DNA refers to the trace amounts of genetic material left behind when a person touches an object. Unlike traditional DNA analysis, which needs visible evidence like blood or hair, touch DNA can be retrieved from even the tiniest invisible skin cells. This technique relies on the constant shedding of skin cells, meaning every time we touch something, we leave a microscopic mark of our identity. So, why is it revolutionary as our topic demands it? The first point here it is that it is sensitive, that touch DNA requires just 7 to 8 skin cells to generate complete DNA profile. This is particularly useful in cases where little physical evidence is available. Next is versatility, as whether it is a weapon, a piece of clothing, or even a doorknob. DNA can be collected from almost any surface. This opens up new possibilities for solving all kinds of crime, from burglaries to cold cases. Next is exoneration and justice. Touch DNA doesn't just help in catching criminals, it also helps free the innocent, which is known as exoneration. It has already been instrumental in overturning wrongful convictions by identifying new evidence. In the United States alone, over 375 wrongful convictions have been overturned through DNA evidence, many of which involve touch DNA. So is there any real world impact? So if we consider that the same case in a burglary case where the only clue is a faint smudge on a window, traditional methods might come up short, but the touch DNA investigators can extract a full DNA profile from that smudge, linking the suspect to the scene. Similarly, cases like high profile like John Benedict Ramsey, when we take this touch DNA names, we hear the high profile case of John Benedict Ramsey. Investigation have benefited from the use of touch DNA. In fact, touch DNA has been used in over 20,000 cases worldwide, showcasing its broad applicability and success. So, are there any challenges? Yes, challenges. There are challenges. Touch DNA faces challenges. It is so sensitive that it's prone to contamination, making proper collection and handling critically. Additionally, interpreting results can be complex as DNA can degrade due to environmental factors. Proper training and technology are essential to ensure accurate outcomes. Studies have shown that improper handling can lead to a 30% increase in contamination rates, highlighting the need for meticulous procedures. So nowadays they are also increasing their possibilities, or they are meticulating uh, their challenges. So why should the business leader create an opportunity of investing in touch DNA? So the market for forensics in the market in forensic tools is growing, projected to reach $8.3 billion by 2025. Company investing in touch DNA technologies are at forefront of this expansion. However, it also requires ethical oversight to manage privacy concerns and potential misuse. So concluding here, touch DNA is more than just a technological breakthrough. It's a step towards justice, with its ability to extract evidence from the most minute traces. It is revolutionizing how we solve crime, exonerate the innocent, and bring closure to victims. The research provided by Mr. Bhandari and her team highlights the incredible potential of touch DNA and its future role in forensic science. As we continue to refine this technology, we inch closer to a world where every touch can tell a story and every story can lead to the justice. Thank you.